Yo, what's up guys? Today I'm going to show you how to make a Starbucks plastic cup money bank. You will need a Starbucks plastic cup. It could be large, medium, it could be small too, whatever size you have. Some stickers. Ribbon. And optional paper. So let's get started. First, you apply the stickers on the plastic cup any way you like. Just like that. Okay, here is the final product. If you have paper, you can probably wrap it around the Starbucks cup. And then if the paper is too long, you could cut it to fit the size. And then you take a piece of tape and you tape it in. I also glued on a little bow on the top. How cute is that? It's a perfect place to save all your money. It's also a good Mother's Day gift too. I hope everyone liked this video tutorial. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and remember to like and subscribe. I hope everyone has a good day.